Odisha may face heavy rainfall and strong winds as a low pressure system forms over the southeast and east central Bay of Bengal early Friday morning at 5:30 am. According to IMD New Delhi senior meteorologist Dr. Dushmanta Ranjan Patnaik, the system is likely to intensify over the next few days, possibly developing into a cyclonic storm. While the formation of a cyclone is being closely monitored, Dr. Patnaik emphasized that it is too early to predict whether the storm will match the intensity of the 1999 supercyclone. The IMD has issued a 3-day forecast and a pre-genesis alert showing the system's expected path moving west-northwestwards across the Bay of Bengal. The pre-genesis forecast is used to predict a tropical depression's formation, probable location, initial track, and intensity before it fully develops. Meanwhile, Odisha Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari confirmed that the state is fully prepared for any emergency. Key departments including energy and health have been alerted to respond quickly, ensuring safety and minimizing damage. With the IMD tracking the system and state authorities on high alert, Odisha is geared up, ready and vigilant, staying prepared for any potential impact from the evolving weather system, Minister Pujari asserted.
आसंता 3 दिन पाई केमिति से तार इंटेंसिटी हेबो कोन गति हेबो से ट्रैक रो आपण नजर करि परिबे नहीं देखंतो प्री जेनेसिस फोरकास्ट एथि पई दिया जाय कि काहे कि ना माने हमको किछ समय अधिक मिलिबो कि माने सूचना देबा पई सेते प्री जेनेसिस फोरकास्ट आजि को ए प्रेजेंट सिस्टम विषय हम जो डिस्कस करबा हमें तो एबे हम साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म पर्यंत आम कहूँ आम से तार कंपारिजन आम करूँ आउ तार जदि किसी इंटेंसिटी आउ बढ़ सेटा भी आम टिके अपडेट करूँ।